In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage dashboard in Hubstaff. To get started, open Hubstaff and make sure you're on the main workspace screen. From there, go to the dashboard section. This is the area where you can get a quick overview of activity, team information, and the most important data related to your workspace. The dashboard is designed to give you a snapshot of what's happening, so it's often the first place you'll want to check when reviewing progress or monitoring your team's activity. Once you click on Dashboard, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. Depending on your account settings and permissions, you may see different panels, summaries, or reporting sections. These widgets are meant to help you organize the information that matters most to you, so understanding this page is the first step to making it more useful and personalized. After you're on the dashboard, the next thing you'll do is click on Manage Widget. This option allows you to control how the dashboard is displayed and which widgets are available to you. If your dashboard feels cluttered, or if you want to highlight specific information, this is where you can make those adjustments. When you open the Manage Widget area, think of it as the control center for your dashboard view. It helps you decide what information should appear and what can be removed or changed based on your needs. This is especially helpful if you use Hubstaff regularly and want faster access to the data that supports your day-to-day workflow. A good tip here is to be intentional about what you keep visible. If you only need a few key insights at a glance, simplifying your dashboard can save time and make navigation easier. On the other hand, if you manage multiple people or projects, having more widgets visible may help you monitor everything in one place. The goal is to make the dashboard work for you, not the other way around. That's all it takes to begin managing